Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Should be up and running. Yeah, all right, cool. Extremely slow pre-market, which indicates that it's probably going to be a slow market today. It was a long weekend, so maybe that's the reasoning. VSTE, expecting a break on this. This would have been good entries here. Held area support, bottom of the pennant, expecting breakout. If anyone did get in, well done. Personally, I did not get in, but I'm expecting it to break out. It's very, very good. Strongest setup at the moment, in my opinion. Let's see if it can go. Let's see if it can go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I just need to turn 1K into 100K by the end of the week. I'm not asking for a lot, preferably by Wednesday. I'll settle by Friday. That is pretty much impossible, bruh. Unless you want to full port some crypto, but you ain't gonna do it on stocks unless you do options. There ain't no quick money fix or quick money scheme. It is a process. MDIA, damn, this is getting rocked. So MDIA actually looks good. I like this kind of setup. I just have $1 here as a psychological level, so I'm keeping that on watch. Possible falling wedge setting up here, but there is no demand zone. Demand zone is like around here. Maybe you could use this level. But no clear demand zone, but it is still in a falling wedge. You can just see what happens on this. Here is your setup on MDIA. SRZN. It went straight up and it came straight down. That looks like a pump and dump. If I was to enter this, I would have to wait for $24. I would not be interested in this as it is $17. I like to trade stocks $1 to 10, like around $8, $10, but this is what you have. There's not enough price action for me. I don't know the news or anything, unfortunately, either. GDLP. GDLP? I don't have GDLP, unfortunately. It might be another ticker, I think. What's this one doing? This is looking good. So you can identify that this is an area of support around here. So what is this, 131? It's respecting this very well. Where's view up? So yeah, it looks good. It just needs to hold this level. Meso is looking fantastic. This was your entry candle right here at 565. Why was this your entry candle? Because this was the high of pre-market. It closed above pre-market high. If it closes above, there's a higher probability it will continue up. And then you can see once it closed above, it went up. So very simple, easy trade. If you did see that, I personally didn't. If I did, I would have taken the trade, but unfortunately I didn't. CGC, I'm expecting this to run again. I mean, this play is very, very bullish, this whole sector. So 30-minute demand zone is pretty strong. It looks good. It's in demand zone now. This is what you want to see into open. Hopefully it can hold this level. If it can hold this into open, that is ideally what you want. So here to here. All right. So that's your level there at the moment. So it's in demand zone. So it just needs to hold this. It needs to hold. XLO, this one fell asleep. It is actually trying to wake up now, to be honest. So you can look left. It used to be a strong area of support here. It then broke below and then it became resistance and now it's becoming support. Therefore, entries was here. I entered at 137, but I sold it before 8 a.m. candle, so 40 minutes ago. But yeah, I'm expecting it to reverse. It's finally pulled back. Well, it has pulled back. It's taken its time. It's pulled back 20% since the news or why ever it was running. Now it's time to find an area of support. This is indicating there's a possible reversal. It's trending. The trend is about to break, indicating another high probability that it will reverse. This probably will run. That is my opinion. BDLP. Oh, BLDP. BLDP, 14%. Let's see. So it looks like, right, it's heading to around this level here. What is this? 337. That is your next resistance level. See, here was resistance, and then here is resistance. So there is right now a higher probability it will continue to push to the side. If it doesn't, this is your next support. It's $3. Yeah, $3. You can even use $3 psychological level. So here it was previous support and then resistance. So yeah, if it doesn't push to 337, then it's probably going to come down to $3. But this is your level at the moment. So right now it's broken above it. So there's a high probability it will continue to the upside. Let's see. Meso. I really like Meso. Meso was a runner. Yeah, 43% on Friday. Or Thursday, sorry. So Thursday, you can see that it was clearly a runner. Therefore, it's up another 22%, just indicating that it is very bullish, indicating that it should continue to go up. Does that mean buy the stock now? Hell no, it does not mean buy the stock now. Why? Because you'll probably be chasing it. You need to wait for pullbacks. That's what I like to do. Trying to buy when it's still in an uptrend is just extremely difficult. Buy on the support levels. So this is looking good. Well done if you did grab it. I know someone in Discord just mentioned they did. Great job. CGC, XLO. XLO is definitely getting volume in. I'm expecting this to continue up. It's reclaimed. Yeah, looks good, looks good, looks good. NXL, this one's extremely slow. So now I'm just going to remove this, put this in the downtrend. It is in this demand zone. So right here is the demand zone. However, if I'm trying to look for an entry in this, I have to keep it simple and easy. If it breaks above, there's a high probability to go up. Therefore, I will probably enter if it breaks above the trend line. I'm never going to try and enter now because I don't know what is going to happen. Cero is holding this 15-minute demand zone here. It's starting to hold this level. What is this? Like 290 level. So 290. So 290 is your support level at the moment. So we can see that it's held for 15, 30, now 45 minutes coming up. Well, right now the candle's just closed. So it looks like it's probably going to push to the upside because it's in a falling wedge. It's in the demand zone. It's holding this area of support. Therefore, is probably going to push to the upside. But we do need some volume on it. But yes, I do expect this to go up now. It's looking very good. So it's very, very easy trade setup this. VSTE is a nice little breakout. Well done if you got in. I did not, sadly. Did anybody take it? But well done, well done, well done. Very nice, clean, easy setup on a bullish pennant pattern. That is a bullish continuation pattern, meaning the price has gone up. It's doing the price actually expect, and then it's broken out. A+, easy setup on this. CGC, let me look, Zero, where's that other one? ALLG, let me look at this thing. Someone asked me about this. Personally, I'm not really interested in it. If I'm trying to get into ALLG, you guys know and understand what you need to do for this. If it breaks above 180, there's a high probability it'll continue up. If it doesn't, then we'll just have to wait, right? So nothing on ALLG personally. NKLA, I'm not really interested on this. I know it's EV play and all, but The chart is very bullish, but I just don't like trading this stock. 121 break, you have room to 150 on NKLA. Hollow has broken out on a larger time frame. On the 30-minute, you can see that it was in a strong downtrend, right? So once it broke that, now we can see if it pushes up. But 485 is your next resistance level on that play. JAGX, same thing with this. Yeah, this was strange. I don't know. This I personally don't even like this play. It's a pump and dump play. Every time it runs, it goes up and go down and up and down. So it doesn't hold anything. This is looking much better for MDIA into kind of this demand zone. It's not a clean demand zone, but I guess you could kind of use this zone here if you want. I just like to see a much better red candle, but here isn't that clear. However, I would just keep this on watch. BLDP. So BLDP, very simple. What I expect on this is break above, retest, push up. That is what I expect on this. Let me look at this candle again. So $3 is just that psychological level that I mentioned. So let's see if we can retest and push up. SRGP is holding the support level, but I'm personally not really interested in it at the moment. There is not one clear setup that I like. I guess VSTE is the only kind of mover at the moment, so you can put that up there. But other than that, it's a really, really slow pre-market. Where's this Cero? Cero I like as well. So these are the two setups, and look what it's doing. It's going as I expect. It's definitely worth entries. Yeah, I'm definitely expecting a breakout on this. It is down, what, 20%, 23% from the move up. Now it's holding area support, demand zone, all that kind of thing. So yeah, definitely I would be in this trade. 100% I would be in it. SRGP holding strong support here. So buys would have been good here. Stop loss would be under this 125 stop loss. Meso, very, very bullish. I would definitely keep Meso on watch just because of the move from Friday or Thursday, sorry. XLO. XLO is right here. So it's still in a downtrend. It's broken above this. At the moment, it's really hasn't done too much, to be honest. The market hasn't been very strong pre-market at all. So just indicates that a lot of plays probably won't work out. So I don't know. For me, it's very difficult right now to know what will happen. I personally wouldn't be in anything. The only play I would be in is Cero because it's setting up for a breakout. This one is just holding the support level. So here, look, previous support. Needs to hold this. If it breaks below, it's coming into around this demand zone here. It's not a clean demand zone, but it's just this range, right? This support level here. See this, all support and then all resistance. So that's why I've got this as my demand zone. But yeah, at the moment, nothing too good. It should continue if the market was good. Once this candle closed above, it should have pushed up. The fact that it hasn't just indicates the market's slow. Let me see, BLDP. BLDP is coming down, down, down. Let me look at this SBFM. Someone's asking about this SBFM. SBFM. Oh, this hit all the levels. So SBFM broke out of this consolidation zone. See this consolidation? Broke above, retested it, and then it went up on SBFM. PTPI. No volume on PTPI. PTPI needs 175 still. I've been waiting for this thing for ages. I have an alert at 175, so if it breaks above, I'll know. But for me, it's a guessing game right now on this. I personally wouldn't enter now. There's not enough volume anyway. Maybe it's pushing to the upside, but I like to wait for confirmation, so it has to be above 175 if I consider anything. I'm trying to make it as bullish as I can for you. Here's your bullish pennant. So, yeah, but you need 175. I would personally wait for 175. Or you could try and take the trade now and have your stop loss. You need a stop loss like below 136. I'll just put this on Twitter so you guys can see. Here's your PTPI. Right. VSTE. Yeah, VSTE clean. Sarah, what's happening? Volumes coming in on this. The candles are being pretty crazy. Meso. So look, this was pre-market high, right? So that means now that was pre-market high. It's broken above that high. So it's broken above it. It's probably going to retest around here and then go up, right? So that's the prediction on this, because usually what happens is once a stock breaks above a resistance level, it will come back to support. But also, here is your 5-minute demand zone. So this could possibly pull back into here. But I really like this setup. I mean, it ran on Thursday, 43%. So high probability it will continue to keep going. That is what I have on this. NKLA is right here. NKLA it needs to get 121, then has room to 150. As I mentioned earlier. 121 break above, then room to 150 to resistance. But nothing on it at the moment. For me personally, it needs to close above 121 if I would even consider it. Meso is coming down. BLDP. So BLDP was that, what, $3? 3 or 5, yeah. This thing's just ranging. CGC. Definitely keep CGC on watch. XLO is coming down. ALG, NKLA, Hollow. Femi. Nothing on Femi. GWAV popping. This was a mover the other day, no, or something. Someone asked me about this trade, I'm pretty sure. GWAV popping. Are you sure it's popping? It doesn't look like it's doing anything right now. It just popped now, 10%, but I don't know, did I have news or something? Nothing. For me, this isn't like nothing on me. I don't know. I don't see anything on this, personally. Maybe here, if it breaks this. And then here. And then, yeah, like this 0.3, whatever it is. 0.237, but yeah, I don't know why it's moving or why it's up 10%. Might just fade it up. But if you are in, good luck. SST. SST was up 58% on Thursday. It's down 4% today. Nothing on this. If I'm trying to enter this trade, I have to wait for resistance break, like 220. What is this high? Yeah, I would wait for 220. So the reason is because it is resistance once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. If it breaks above that level, then it is higher probability it will continue up. But to try and enter now is a guessing game. I personally would avoid it until 220. That's simply how I would do it. Pixie. Let me have a look at Pixie. Pixie's in a strong downtrend at the moment. Yeah, Pixie's extremely bearish, meaning you should not be touching this. There's no sign. I don't know where the next support level is. Yeah, this is not looking good. Look, even if I go to the daily, you can see, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The whole week it was red. Every single day it was red. That should indicate to you to not touch this thing at all. But I know a lot of people have the perspective that it's down 7 or a week in a row, that it has to reverse. Maybe that might be the case, but in order to get confirmation, and have a higher probability set up that it will continue to go up, you have to wait for the trend to reverse. VST is absolutely insane. Well done if you got in this trade. Wow. Nice, 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 nice. Well done, well done, well done. Which one is it? Meso is coming down. Cero looks great. I really like this trade setup. Yeah, I'm expecting this to break out easily. BLDP looks like this is pushing up as well. It didn't retest exactly $3, Olympus in blue. But it did get around this, what, 3 or 4, so it's pretty close. That's usually what happens. What else is this? Yeah, SRGP. Yeah, I'm not really interested in this play. What is this SRG? I'm just going to put $1 and then just watch it from there. If it holds $1, then maybe I'll be interested. But at the moment, a lot of top wicks, a lot of consolidations broken below support. CGC, look what's happening. Look what's happening on CGC. CGC looks great. I personally like CGC. I'm just talking on a logical standpoint that the whole sector is bullish. I think there's some news about Germany with weed as well. So, yeah, the whole sector is bullish, but let's see what it does do. I will put this on Twitter just to mention that it is in the demand zone. So if this holds in demand zone today, I will probably get into this trade. Hollow, nothing. NKLA. Good luck if you are an NKLA. I'm just going to remove it. I don't like trading it. NXL, 15-minute chart. It is holding demand zone. We'll see what this does do. It's down though, but I'll just delete it for now. Trying to keep my watch list as small as possible because if I have 100 plays, it's just too distracting. So I have all these plays here on the left-hand side. Probably into open, maybe any 3 will be my plays setups. Cero is looking great. This is what I'm expecting on this trade. Come down, retest around here, then hopefully push up. This is my prediction on VSTE over here. Guys, I see 2 of you guys have joined in Discord. I will send you the link to watch the intro video so you can see how the alerts work. So you can watch that before open and it just explains how the alerts work. Live trading link is sent out just 5 minutes before market open, so in like 25 minutes. Alright. Okay, let me go through the watch list and then I'm going to head into the Discord. So VST, obviously the top mover, broke out of a bullish pennant. Looking for it to pull back to around this 975 level, retest and hopefully push up. Cero, I'm expecting this to break out. It needs to hold this, pretty much this whole level here. This support, or inside this wedge is valid. If it breaks below, then it's invalid. Meso, ideally you want it to come back in demand zone. It's not coming down there, but we will see what it does do. It ran 43% on Thursday. It's up 22% again today. It's pretty much just a mover, 2-day mover. BLDP is looking good. It didn't retest exactly $3, but it came around here, break above it, retesting, and then now it's pushing up. 337 is your next resistance level. This SRGP, nothing on this for me, to be honest. CGC, I really like this just because of sector. Someone did say that there was some news coming on with Germany about, I don't know if it's legalizing weed or whatever, but yeah. This will definitely move it. XLO. I don't know, I expected this thing to move ages ago. It hasn't even moved at all. It looks pretty weak at the moment, but as long as it holds around this level, around 130, you should be fine. But you can see it's a strong area of support for now. So you can wait and see. ALG 180, I'll only be interested. Hollow, nothing on this. MDIA looks to be reversing. If it breaks the trend line, maybe you can look for entries on that. That's pretty much it. But yeah, so pre-market hasn't been great. In my opinion, the market is very slow right now. I'm assuming just because it's a long weekend. We'll see what market does at open, but tomorrow should be better as well. That news came last week. That's why weed is up. Oh, right. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, weed's just been insane. The whole sector's been extremely bullish. All right, new members, I will send you the link now. If you want to join, here is the link here. So live trading link will be sent out in 20 minutes. I will catch you all in there, members. I will share setups where I can on Twitter as well. Remember, if I don't share any setups, it's because I don't see any plays. That's it. But yeah, if I enter any trades, I mention them in the Discord. But thanks for joining, guys. I will